Senator Go, nung namatay si Micah.
So it's Go. So Senator Go?
Sorry,
Senator?
my apologies.
Senator
De
Bato.
La Rosa.
Oh, sige, as a matter of right, the Senator can react if he wants to.
Yes, Mr. Chair, thank you. I just would like to put in context. Paano ko sinabing shit happens? Indeed, I said that. Shit happens. Because sa amin sa police, sa military, during operations, when you don't have complete control of the operational environment, you expect shit happens. Yun nga, nangyari nga. Namatay yung bata, tinamaan yung bata. Talagang, for me, for us, shit happens. Nangyari yun. So what's the fuss? What's the fuss about blaming ourselves for... Sinabi ko, talaga nangyari. Hindi perfect yung operation. Hindi mo kontrolado ang environment. May tinamaan na bata. So, anong tawag ko dyan? Perfection happens? There's no perfect operations. Sometimes shit happens. That's what I say that. But that does not mean to degrade the soul, the departed soul of that child na namatay. Ang problema lang sa inyo, Father, you are trying to capitalize my words for propaganda purposes. That's very bad, Father. Masama po yan. Huwag niyong gamitin, you do not take the word out of context para i-propagandize yung isang issue. Ako, sinabi ko shit happens because I'm blaming myself as the chief PNP. Nangyari yung hindi dapat nangyari. Namatay yung bata, tinamaan. Really, shit happens. Pero, when the media presented it, when the media articulated it in their papers, wow, iba na. Bato is demonyo na yung bata parang masaya pa dahil lang namatay yung bata. Mali po yun, Mr. Chair. So, matanong ko lang si Father, when you said that you used drugs for 15 years, ano po yung drugs na ginamit mo, Father?
Shabu po, o bago pa mag-shabu.
Pare ka na noon?
Siyempre, hindi pa ho.
Hindi ka pa pare?
Natural po.
So, 15 years. How old ka nag-start gumamit na shabu?
Father, ako sagutin niyo.
Mr. Chair, simula po ako ng 16.
16?
Opo.
16 plus 15, that's 31. Kailan ka naging pare?
2006.
2006. How old were you? 2006.
31 ho.
31. So meaning, nasa loob ka pa ng seminaryo, gumagamit ka na siya
Meron po akong tinatawag na relapse, Mr. Chair.
Relapse. That's good. I congratulate you for reforming your life.
Salamat
and being
po.
a good example. I congratulate you. You are a good example to this community.
Salamat po, Mr. Chair. Pero hindi po ako gumagawa at nagfa-fabricate o pinapalobo. When you said that you do not intend to hurt the feelings of the bereaved, by the word itself, you already did. Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Well, depende sa inyo yan. That's subjective, Mr. Chair. Kasi sa akin, when I say shit happens, that's for us to blame ourselves. That shit happens. That is not intended for the people or the victim. And
can we contextualize? Aminado naman si Senator Bato, konektado ito sa 1-year-old na namatay, kaya kayo napasalitang shit happens.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Can we,
3-year-old.
Ilan?
Mr. Chair, 3-year-old.
3 years old daw.
Na nangangarap ding
Okay.
maging police.
Yeah.
Sige, Father, ikaw familiar sa what happened doon sa 3 years old na namatay? Sige nga, so that we will see the...
Sa pagkaalala ko po ito po ay isang police operation at ang hinuhuli nila yung yung tatay, at dahil dito ay nadamay po yung anak, nadamay yung anak at namatay yung anak. I wouldn't want to give any
Saan po yun?
I wouldn't want to give any
Place and then date, and then sa incidenting yun, yung 3 years old lang ang namatay?
Kasama po yung ama, Mr. Chair.
Kasama ang ama. So, yun. That is the context, ha?
Yes.
Yan yung context, ha, na nangyari ito.
Yes, Mr. Chair, wala naman talagang pulis gustong pumatay ng bata. Kaya nga sabi ko, shit happens. Tinamaan yung bata sa crossfire. Kaya nga, nangyari yun. But
Father, sa investigation ninyo, official police operation yon, na-confirm na din nyo sa HQ?
It was po. Kaya
Okay, may mga pangalan ng operatives.
I think meron po, Mr. Chair, and ayaw kasi mag-appear po nung...
Paki-organize na lang po yung data kasi
Opo.
isa na yan sa napag-usapan natin ngayon eh. We are interested in that police operation na may 3-year-old na namatay.
Yes po.
Kasama ng kanyang papa siguro, papa?
Yes
Kasama
po.
papa. O, sige.
Mr. Chair, na-autopsy rin po ni Dr. Raquel Fortun ang bata. So she can objectively provide the truth in this committee. Salamat po.
yeah, Mr.